Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to monetize a Discord server without any investment in 2026. So if you want to turn your community into income using free methods, this beginner guide will help you step by step. First, focus on building an active community. So choose a niche like gaming, study group, tech help, or entertainment. Next, don't rush into money. I mean offer free value like tips, resources, support, or exclusive discussions. So create roles like VIP, member, or premium. You can later use these roles for paid or reward-based access. Now you can accept donations using free platforms like Buy Me a Coffee or Ko-Fi. Offer perks like shoutouts or exclusive channels. So share affiliate links in relevant channels. Only promote tools, games, or products your community actually cares about. Next, create premium roles with exclusive content. So, advanced guides, private chats, or early access content can be behind these roles. Finally, grow your server using social media, YouTube, or Discord listing sites. More members means more earning opportunities. And that's how to monetize a Discord server without investment in 2026. Once you build value and trust, your community can turn into real income. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more online earning tutorials.